Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a power hour. I didn't quite make it. You'll see in the end I ended up having to stop. I had to run an errand, so I ended up doing almost everything in the hour, and then I had to stop, and then I had to do my floors at the end. So I kind of failed, but I still got a lot done, as you're about to see. So I hope you enjoy watching this.
I cannot pretend that I do not care. Whoa. I keep asking why? You're still on my mind. It's been like a year since we're together. I should feel a feeling whole lot better. I keep asking why? I have really tried. All the sleepless nights I counted hours. Tried to move on, but I lost my powers. I keep asking why. Do I ever cross your mind? Maybe what we had is so hard to find. Wish I could go back, turn the hands of time. Whoa. Need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend that I do not care.
So I bought a bunch of things to organize my kitchen. I will be filming that, and I think I'm going to cut it up into a few different videos, but I am putting my sugar into one of the containers. I plan to empty the actual bag out into the container, but just for now to get it off the counter. And then I put some of my seasonings into one, but I'm going to be doing a kitchen organization video, and I bought a bunch of stuff on Amazon. So I had that big box full of them, and you also saw they were on the counter because I washed them all and let them dry before I put all the ingredients and stuff in them. But yeah, be on the lookout for that video.
Having so much fun with you by my side, staying up late, catch your morning ride.
So now I'm washing the dog bowls, and I'm just putting super hot water with some dish soap, and I let those soak for I think like 20 minutes, maybe a little bit more. So that's normally how I'll clean them, and I'm gonna put them in there, let them soak while I clean the rest of the kitchen. And then I'm just spraying down the mats with that Lysol stuff and wiping them down, and then I let them dry as well.
I come and go like a rah. They don't want it to be going on. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a rah. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low, lurking in the mode like I'm running from the bobo.
And now I'm cleaning the half bathroom. This is mainly Kinsley's bathroom. As you can see, her little toilet seat. I have a little command hook on the wall beside the toilet, and I just hang it up there when she's not using it. But I went ahead and sprayed down the toilet with that Clorox stuff, and I'm going to let that soak while I clean the vanity area. And I always wipe down the light switch as well. And then I'm wiping down her potty seat, and then I hung it up on her little command hook, and then I cleaned the rest of the toilet.
They don't see the bigger picture we be cutting out. All I'm saying is the man that I'm becoming. He gon' take a new addition and it twisted like a plumber now. Yeah, I'm out here watching all the phony ones. Yeah, and they be thinking about my own runs. Oh, how they gon' catch me when I'm all around. Oh, I can't see why I didn't call it out.
Once I was done in there, I moved to my bedroom. I just needed to make my bed and dust off my furniture. It had already been vacuumed in there because my robot vacuum did that for me. So that is awesome. And the floor and stuff had already been picked up. So it was pretty clean. It just really needed to be dusted. So I was dusting down all of the furniture, and then I went ahead and wiped down my bathroom. It wasn't a deep clean by any means, but I like to keep the vanity and the toilet wiped down at least every couple of days. So I wiped those down as well.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever.
I've been using this Clorox cleaner with, it's just the lemon scent, and I really like it. It doesn't like really smell that great or it's bad or anything. It just really honestly smells like bleach to me, but I really do like the way that it cleans. So I've been using that in the bathroom, and then I used the Pine Sol with hot water just to wipe down the vanity area. And I did wipe my mirror, but I did go back with Windex. I just didn't film that. I knew that that wasn't going to clean my mirror and like make it streak free, but there was something on it, so I just wiped it down, and then I came back in with the Windex later. So don't worry, I didn't leave it that way, and that's not some cleaning hack where you can clean mirrors with Pine Sol. It does not look good when it dries, believe me. But I just used that solution to wipe down the countertops, and then I went ahead and wiped down the toilet with that same rag. So now I'm cleaning my rags, and I just keep them in that little plastic bin in the laundry room, and then I use the Lysol laundry sanitizer and then just my regular detergent. And my washing machine has a sanitize cycle, so I run it through that, and then my dryer also has a sanitize cycle, so when I put them in the dryer I run them through that one. So I had pulled my blanket out of the washer and I had actually pulled it out of the dryer, but it was still a little bit damp, so I just laid it over the couch and I turned the fan on and let it air dry the rest of the way while I was cleaning up the rest of the house. And I am washing the pillows on my couch as well.
My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. A break to my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. Face it, you think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighter.
So as you can see, I failed my power hour, but it's still a good concept, and I wanted to take this time to tell you the creator of the power hour is actually Kim from Style Mom XO. She came up with this idea probably a couple of years ago now, and I think it's a really great idea, and I get asked a lot, how long did that routine take you? And a power hour is just a great way to motivate you to get as much done in as little time as possible. So it does help to get your house clean. If you're unmotivated, set the timer and try to beat the clock. Kind of like a game, I guess, but it definitely does help. And so every once in a while I will do this just for fun, but I thought I would film one for you guys today, and then I failed. I failed you guys, but at least you got to see what all I was able to get done in an hour.
Not leaving this incomplete. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flames.
So after I was done washing the bowls in the sink, I went ahead and sprayed some of this 409 disinfectant in there, and I let that soak for a little bit, and then I ended up cleaning the sink out later.
Throw our problems in the flame. Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night.
So this was actually about an hour later. I had to stop filming and I had to run an errand and then come back and finish the floors. So that's the beauty of editing. It looks like I just went from washing the dog bowls to cleaning the floor, but there was some time in between this.
And now that you're gone, I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be over. And now that I'm free from all the chains you've kept me in, I'll be okay. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again, I'll be okay. Moving on, seeing it all in a whole new light. Thinking of reasons to make it all be alright. And now that you're gone, I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be over. And now that I'm free from all the chains you've kept me in, I'll be okay. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again, I'll be okay. I'll let you know I'll be alright. Now that I've found the only way to.
And then I decided to just go ahead and mop with my mop and bucket, my O-Cedar mop and bucket. I love this thing so much. You can get them on Amazon, probably Walmart, lots of places. Amazon's just the easiest. That's where I got mine. And I just have hot water and pine salt, and I decided just to mop the floors this way because it was quicker than the Bissell, and I usually only do that once a week for a deep clean anyways. And by this point, I was over cleaning, and I just wanted it to be oh, and that's Bailey.
Now that I'm free from.
I I hope that didn't scare anyone, but I decided to just leave that in because that's real life. My dogs are always barking. If my kids aren't screaming, my dogs are barking.
Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again, I'll be okay. I'll let you know I'll be alright. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again.
Young, and we didn't wanna be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know. I still think about what we had when we were younger. We were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger, when we were younger, I remember a girl. I would sneak into her parents' house. I could stay for hours, and we looked into each other's eyes. Hey, I thought I was Romeo, I was looking for my Juliet. And as soon as I left, I told my friends. Those days made me who I am. When we were younger, we were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, everything.
This is it. It's all clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. Make sure that you click that notification bell, and that way you will be notified when I upload. Also, make sure that it is notifying you of all my uploads, not just occasional. By default, when you click that bell, it will only notify you occasionally, and a lot of people are missing my videos. So it really helps me out, and it supports my channel, and it helps me to be able to create content for you guys when you subscribe, when you give me a thumbs up, when you comment, and definitely when you hit that bell. That way you know when I upload and you are able to watch my videos. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I will see you in my next video.
When we were younger, we were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white.